Great. I will undo this. Okay, I delete this row, I delete this row, and I delete this row. And now we will see the third option to navigate, which is with a lateral menu. Okay, so first of all, I will come here to the app bar and I will add an icon. So I come here to the widgets and I search for a widget here, icon. I click on the icon, I drag it and I put it here. You see that says leading, title and actions. Put it here on the leading. Okay, you click here on the leading. I could also, if I want, I could add another icon here in the actions, you see, the typical, but for this case, well, imagine that you want two menus, one on the left and one on the right, that this would be the way to do it, but we will do only one, so we add the icon here. The icon, I will change it to menu, okay, this menu. I will make it slightly bigger, 30 for example, or 40, yeah, and I will make it white, yeah, right now, and I will select it. I will do copy and I will do the same operation in the, I'm not allowed to do it like this, why? Okay, I'm not allowed. Well, I'll do it manually. And I'll repeat the same process in the other two pages. Okay? So I come here, I select the icon, I drag it on the leading. The size we said was 40. The color is white. It's not bad that you to do this at least at the beginning, so that by repetition you get used to where is everything, okay? Menu, and now we go to the page 3. This one has it, this one has it, page 2. Where I come here to the widgets, I find an icon, and I drag it to the leading section of the app bar, change the size to 40, color will be white, and the icon will be menu. Right. Okay. I have now the three app bars have this option. I could do something similar here. Okay. I could do it similarly. If I select one of these other options and I change the icon type, I could achieve a similar goal, but I don't like to do it because then you lose, when we change this, you lose the option of the arrow back and it gets a bit messy. So I will not do it this way, and I prefer to do it manually. In my own experience, it's takes a bit more time at the beginning, but gives you more control. Okay, so that's how I prefer it. Right, now we need to add an action. Okay, now we need to add an item called drawer. Why they call it like that, I have no idea, but we come here and we write drawer. And drawer can be from the left or the right. This one will come from the left and this one will come from the right. And the drawer is nothing else but a menu, you see? It's added at the page level, you see, it's added at the page at the same level than the, here I can collapse and uncollapse, so it's at the same level than the other items. And what I'll do here, it's now here I can design, and I will introduce a column with one row and one button or text. What do I put, a button or a text? A text. I will duplicate this, duplicate, and in the first one, and the column I will make it to spread. Here you see, here I can spread it out, and I will put some padding, 20. I'll make this bigger. Nah, I'm not gonna bother now on the styling. You will see the styling is one of the parts where you can lose more time, believe me. And in this stage, I don't want you to, it's not important, Okay, it's important when you are like making something professional, but for the stage of learning, now this is not important. Like how if it looks not nice, if it looks a bit strange, that's not important. Believe me. The important is that you learn where everything is, where you get familiarized how to do actions. So forget about now about the style if it doesn't look nice. Okay. So this one, but at least the text, yes, home. This text will be page 1, and this text will be page 2. Okay. And we want that when I click, and what I do now, it's the same that I did before, but at the row level. I want that in this row, when somebody clicks, I want an action of navigate to home page. When somebody click, why do I put it in the row and not in the text? Well, because it gets more space. You see, if I put it on the text, this is the space. If I put it on the row, this is all the space that will be expecting the tap or the click. So that's the reason why I put it a bit in an upper level. Add action, navigate to, this is the page 1, and this is the action of navigate to page 2. Okay, I have the drawer. This drawer, now I haven't tested it, but I will test everything at the end. I have assumed that each of these rows will do what is asked for. Navigate to home page, navigate to page 1, navigate to page 2. So now this drawer, I will do right click, copy, and I will, no, sorry, I forgot one thing important, which is that in these actions, once we navigate, we have to close the drawer. And we have to tell the navbars that when it's clicked, should open the drawer. Okay, so what do I do first? Does it matter? No, not really. So the first I'll do is add the action of open drawer, but no, yeah, the action matters because I cannot tell him to open a drawer if there is no drawer. So the order matters. So first I will come here and I will say open an action, and because here now there two things should happen. First thing should be that you close the drawer. We come here, you see close dialog drawer. That is first. You look here with the arrows, I'm changing the order. So first we'll close the drawer, and then once the drawer is closed, we'll navigate to this page. Yeah, that's the right order. And I have to repeat the process in this action. I come here, acting flow editor, open, and I add an action of close dialog drawer, but first close the dialog and then navigate. And then here, open, add action, close the dialog drawer. You see, here we're controlling the behavior and the order. Does it really matter? I think no, it doesn't really matter. But I think like this is a bit nicer. I don't know. We will see. Okay, the drawer element, it's now, I believe, it's now ready. So what I'll do is right click, copy, and I'll paste it in this page, paste, and also in the home page. Come to the home page, right click, paste. Okay, now if I change to all the pages, I should see I'm collapsing this, a drawer, you see drawer, drawer in page 1, drawer in page 2. Great. And now the last thing that I need to do is to tell these action buttons to that when I click here, I will add an action. Okay, you see I've selected the icon, okay, and the action will be to open the drawer Okay, here, drawer, open the drawer, you see? So open the drawer, also in the page 1, we click icon, action, add an action, and the action will be drawer, open the drawer, right? Page 2, icon, action, add an action, drawer, open the drawer, right? Yeah, here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, let's test it. We click on we build it. You see, this is the previous session. You see, expired. So I need to renew the session. I can do it through here or through here. It doesn't really matter, but we will see. I will pause the video because this will take a while. Okay, here we have it, and let's see if it works. Right, we navigate to home. Yeah, we stay on the same place. Page 1, page 1. Great. I want to navigate to page 2, page 2. Page 1, it works. You see, this is how there is a strange blinking effect. You see that it's not really we could I don't know if you noticed, but it's not letting the drawer to close. How could we fix that? But I'm not gonna do it because it would take me too much, and now it's not really important. When we are navigating in each one of these actions, when we're navigating, okay, because not all the drawers have the action. I forgot. No, well, I could add an action that is called delay. But we could wait maybe 400 milliseconds to allow the drawer to close nicely, okay, not so violently, and then change. It's not really important. If you want to do it, you can do it, and you can see that it will be a more smooth effect. But I will not do it because I find it totally irrelevant at this point. Okay, in the next video we'll see how to navigate to child pages. See you.